What up guys, this is your boy AlphaMetic and welcome to another dose of tech. Today we are going to talk about how to make your footage become super professional with one simple tool. Let's get started, shall we? Let's get started, shall we? Alright, that's what I thought. So one of the things that can make your footage more professional is having a stable shot. Whenever we are holding the weight of an object, we have to make an equal force against that object. And when we do, we create unwanted movement that we can sometimes really control. It doesn't matter if the quality of your videos are amazing. If you're having a shaky video, that will make your footage not as professional and enjoyable. And there are actually two different ways or tools you can use to increase your footage quality. The first one is a glide cam, which uses weight to stabilize your footage. And there is electronic gimbals that will do the job for you. So today we're going to review this little gimbal that fits easily in your backpack and can hold up to 6.61 pounds of weight. And that means most DSLR and mirrorless cameras in the market. For example, a Sony a7 III with a heavy 24-70G master lens, for example. Let's get right into the unboxing, shall we? I see him, so it will be easier for you to service cord. Comes in a nice phone case. And these batteries will be able to have the gimbal charged for about 10 hours. The good thing about this is that if this runs out, then you can just insert two AA batteries and you can keep shooting. A camera raiser. This is for when you have big lenses. You insert this and make the camera higher so your lens will not touch the gimbal. You get a quick release plate right here. It comes with all the measurements so you can balance your gimbal fast and easy. You also get a handle or tripod. You also get a pouch full of cables right here. These cables are for all types of cameras that you have. Sony, Canon. And now lastly, the gimbal itself. This is anymore. And this is the gimbal. First impression is very light. Right here is made out of metal or aluminum, and right here is made out of plastic. With this gimbal, you unlock a wide range of new ways to record low to the ground shots by putting your gimbal in briefcase or underslang mode. That's simple. One thing to remember is like every tool or equipment you have, you need practice. This is my first gimbal, and as time goes by, you only get better and better. These are some of the shots you are able to do and much more. I will be creating more videos of this gimbal, like different type of modes you can use, how to connect the gimbal to your camera, how to balance your gimbal, and much more. So if you're interested in these videos coming up, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay notified when I release new videos. It will really be appreciated since it helps my channel grow. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.